Adam Savage recently had a video where he found some funky blue knobs and he wondered what the fuck they were. Those were off of a blue Selectric 1 typewriter. And since he didn't know what they are, I clearly need to make a fucking video, because nobody knows what those are if he doesn't know what they are. You can see, you turn these, turns the other one, it's latched, and it turns the platen, that's what that's called, where the paper rolls around on it, and the little selectric ball goes whack, 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 and smacks the shit out of the paper to drive the ink onto there. That is what these sick-ass little knobs are for.